Hello everyone, my name's Reece from New Hope Club and this is my cover of Latch by Disclosure.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down.
And you enchant me even when you're not around.
But if there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down.
'Cause I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. Feel closer now.
Could I lock in your love? I feel closer now.
I wanna lock in your love.
'Cause now I've got you in my space.
Won't let go of you, 'cause I got you shackled in my embrace.
I'm latching onto you, and I feel
so encaptured, you got me wrapped up in your touch.
and I feel so enamored, and hold me tight within your clutch.
And how do you do it?
You got me losing every breath.
Oh, what did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest?
I feel closer now. And could I lock in your love?
I feel closer now.
And could I lock in your love?
Yeah, 'cause now I've got you in my space.
I won't let go of you, and I got you shackled in my
Embrace, and I'm latching onto you.
'Cause now I've got you in my space.
Won't let go of you,
'Cause I got you shackled in my embrace,
and I'm latching on.
on to you.
Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.